In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop pop-up ads on your Android device. You can stop pop-up ads on Android device from distracting you on the time you are browsing on your smartphone or tablet. Here's what you need to do. Put an end to those annoying pop-up ads. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, please do subscribe. Open Google Chrome on your Android device. Tap the three vertical dots at the top right of the screen. Then tap Settings. Scroll down to Site Settings. Tap on Pop-up and Redirects. Turn the slider off. Now go to the ads. Turn this off also. We have done the settings. By this way, you can stop pop-up and ads on your Chrome browser. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for our future videos. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.